Hello guys, this is Anish with another tutorial, and this is on how to make the particles. And yeah, so let's get my animation. I use JPEG because RPF format has some, well, I don't know, only when you're using depth of field and fog you would use RPF, but otherwise you should use JPEG or something like that, or QuickTime. But in my animations, I want to have an option of pausing it, so yeah. So we just grab that in there. Oops, what? Okay, so we have it here. Grab it onto the composition tag, and then as you can look over here, there's a foot. I did not see that foot. I looked at this video, and then he falls down. Yeah. So I'm gonna go through how I got the particles. As you can see, there's no particles, but or anything. And by the way, my other animation in the village, I made that in Cinema 4D, not in Adobe After Effects. Except for the particles, of course. Okay, so now let's add a new layer, which is a particle, solid, any color, and then type here CC particle world. Grab it onto the black thing, position it onto where it falls, and position this to where it falls also. So it should look like that now. Okay, so now we need to mess with the settings. Can increase that a little. Oh, forgot, we need to off the position, radiation, radius, and off these things. We don't really need them. Producer, don't really need to work with that. Physics, we can decrease the gravity because it's snow. Particle, make it a faded sphere, and click on this. Click on the snow, or just pick a whitish looking texture, and then increase the bird size, and just put this at 0 and hit see how it looks. Maybe you should decrease the longevity or whatever it's called. Actually, I'm not very good with particles just yet. You would know. Size variation, just change that to 0. And now we need to add some keyframes for gravity. Okay, so go to this point and open this up. This is just, I'm working with what I know right now, but as I get better, it'll be better. So hit this, birth rate, go to a few frames, and then change this to 0. And now do the same for gravity. Go to physics, gravity, click this, go to a few frames, and put this at like till you can't see anything. Okay, so we got something like that. Okay, so now let's add some snow. So layer, new, solid. Okay, can close this. Now go, just drag another CC particle world. Okay, increase longevity, whatever it's called. Producer, we can just move it like this, I guess. Let's off the grid and stuff. X radius, increase that. E, move it up. Now gravity, make it like directional axis, and move it this, and radius on the Y, and particle, faded sphere, and the snow, and hit play and see how it looks. Okay, it looks pretty cool. We can add a few more, I guess. I like it. It looks kind of windy. Then yeah, so that looks good. And then you go composition, new composition. Oh, what am I doing? Now I go to composition, add to render queue, and then click here, save it wherever, and as a .mov or something, press render, and then you have your animation. And make sure you have this at best settings, and then after you would want to compress it. Actually, I'll show you what I mean. I use Handbrake. Just a sec, so I'll render it and just quickly show you how good it is. Okay, it's done rendering, so I'll off this. Ooh, actually, never mind. So let's get Handbrake. So I have it over here. Where is it? Test.mov. So find it. I'm not sure if it's compatible with Windows computers, but I think it is. And so we just select the thing you want on the source and then press start. Okay, let's see how much space it is. So get info. It is 582 MB. So it's gonna take a long time to upload to YouTube, and that's gonna take up a lot of space. So you just click on this, and then it should run the process, and it should give you an MP4, or you can even change it to .mov if you like. So this final copy, which is over here on the animation, so I have this here, and it's 1.6 MB. So imagine from 500 MB to just 1.6 MB. That's a big change. Even this is not too much actually. My big animation is just 44 MB. Before it was like 3 GB. I compressed it to 44 MB. So yeah, that's it. You really need to learn how to use compression stuff. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I have 444, close to 500, which is my rig giveaways thingy. And yeah, bye.